Show me how you do it now. It's something more than I like to do. Let's take a flight to you. He's dancing. He thinks that he's dancing. Shake your feet, come on.
Australia!
How you do it now. Shake your groove, shake your groove, yeah. Show me how you do it now. Shake your groove, shake your groove, yeah. Show me how you do it now. Shake your groove, shake your groove, yeah. Show me how you do it now. Show me how you do it now.
That's how we do it now. Sydney, thank you for grooving and dancing with us. Kapamilya, welcome to
Sa mga kababayan natin here in Sydney, Australia, kamusta naman kayong lahat? Let us hear you scream! Alam niyo, masaya kami nakasama namin kayo ngayon. As in, sobra-sobra.
Grabe, ang saya-saya! Ibibigay namin sa inyo ang world-class performances mula sa inyong mga paborito, kapamilya artists at talented kababayans dito sa Australia!
Eto na! Tulad ng susunod nating performer, someone na born and raised in Sydney. Is that a fact? Yes! Talaga namang umangat ang galing niya sa Pilipinas!
Yes! Can you read it for me, please?
Kasabay ng pagbabalik niya sa prime time,
Why did you do that?
nagbabalik siya dito sa Australia para pasayahin kayong lahat. Eto na!
Here it is!
Show them how to do it.